Flying for the first time since forever, I think, after COVID. I don't even know why Air India takes a lot of time though.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have your attention. Please welcome to Kalburagi Airport.
Hi my lovely people and welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you can hear me, but right now I'm in a medical campus and I'm staying here, so I need to keep my mask on at all points. And for those who don't know, my uncle, that's my mom's brother, he is a frontline worker. He's a doctor and he is here. Also, he's doing his studies as well. He's doing his MD, so he's here and we are here to visit him because you never know when you're going to get the time again. And yeah, this is where we're staying. I'm not going to disclose the name of this campus though, because for privacy reasons. But if you haven't watched my journey on how far I've come here and how I've come here, you should definitely go back and watch it, and I will see you guys after that. Go watch it, have fun. It's 10:11 right now, I think. Yeah, I can't find my phone, but it's pretty late. I'm supposed to be ready by now, but I haven't even packed. My room is a mess, my bed is a mess. I haven't even folded my blanket yet, and I don't know how. This always happens. Whenever we have to take a flight, we're always late. It's just what it is. We never pack the day before. So I'm gonna get myself together and pack this. I don't even know why I can't speak today, but I'm gonna get myself together and get this packed. And yeah, we're flying for the first time since forever, I think. After COVID, the last I took a flight was to where? Goa? Yeah, I think the last flight I took was to Goa. After that, we haven't flown. So now this is the time. I'm packing my suitcase again to fly. So I hope you guys enjoy this journey. Now let's get to me packing.
Told me I was not the type, but I was getting closer with every shot, closer to losing control. You didn't like me at first, but then we got to talking. We got closer to the edge, closer made me wonder, is it possible that I can change the way you see me? You see me? And is it possible that I can stay with you if you ain't busy? I can make it worth your. Is it possible?
So we made it to the airport right now, and there's a lot of people. Actually, it's pretty less, so it's fine. I'll just show you around here. It's actually really less compared to usuals, and I don't know how the process inside is gonna be. We're just like an hour early. I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah, let's go in and I will meet you on the other side.
But it's someone else, but yeah, I need to know, babe. Cause I saw you at the bar, and I knew I had to go for it. I couldn't stop, and then you gave me attitude and made me want it more. And it is working. Is it possible that I can change the way you see me? You see me? Yeah. And is it possible that I can stay with you if you ain't busy? I can make it worth your. Is it possible?
Alright guys, now we're headed for our security check. We just got done with the boarding pass. It took a lot of time. I don't even know why Air India takes a lot of time though, but yeah. So I'll meet you after the security check. Okay guys, we're done with the security check and now we're headed to get some food because we are very hungry and we haven't eaten. So yeah, we're just looking for food now, and it's a huge process, but nothing really different than the usual, just that you need to keep sanitizing your hands every now and then, And we're definitely getting the multi-protection mask after this. We put the surgical mask and then put this on top of it. And yeah, just don't keep touching your face. That's it. Now let's go board the plane.
Tonight, wanna take it slow if needed. Cause you are all that I needed and all that I prayed for. You put my jaw on the floor, and I wonder, is it possible that I can change the way you see me? Hey, hey. And is it possible that I can change the way you feel? You feel.
Alright guys, this is what we've received. We've received a face shield and a mask, which I'm going to be putting on. This is mask number 1.
Yeah, you wear other one.
Right.
It's good. Double.
This is enough. That's the face shield.
Face shield we have here. What you want to be more protection?
I can't see. I barely can see.
Because you're blind.
You're supposed to remove the face.
If you don't know anything, please ask
You have to remove from the other side also. You
Oh,
have
I got my vision back.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have your attention. Please welcome to Kalburagi Airport. For information, outside temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. You are requested to kindly remain seated and refrain from opening overhead lockers until the aircraft has come to the complete halt and seatbelt sign have been switched off.
So we made it to Gulbarga right now. I mean, it's Kalaburgi actually. It's renamed. So we are here right now in my uncle's place and we're just chilling. So when we actually landed here, it was pretty cold. It was actually drizzling for a bit and the turbulence on the flight was terrible. And the flight was also such a small aircraft, and you know, you saw that it was not a big one at all, and it was very uncomfortable, but at the same time convenient because we got here in like 1.5 hours. If you'd have taken a bus or we'd come by road, then it would have taken a long time, actually an overnight journey. So yeah, that's that. Today we are here, we're going to be chilling and I'm going to document whatever little that we do. We are just here to like chill, have fun, just to change in, and you know, my environment and all of that. So yeah, that's about that. I will keep this vlog going until I have something interesting, and if I do, then you will watch it in the next clip. My legs can still reach.
No.
Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up.
Last edition.
We are trying to make the internet work to watch the RCB and the Mumbai Indian game, and it's just buffering every single time.
Front runner, go-to
But
guy,
I mean,
Rohit Sharma.
we watched it like this for over 2 hours, so let's just go with it. That's my brother. That's my brother. Say hi. Okay, we updated it to the iPad now, from a tiny phone to the iPad. You're too zoomed in. Nah, you're fine. There we go. And that's the effort we put for an RCB match.
Just a whitish second slip, third slip.
Hi guys, so I hope you enjoyed watching my journey from Bangalore to Gulbarga. Gulbarga, I just said Gulbarga. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm filming another vlog. This is like the day 2 and the day 3 vlog, which will be up as well. So you better watch that. That'll be after this video. So please go watch it. And yeah, also if you like this video, don't forget to like this video. And traveling currently is a little unsafe, I would actually say. But if you really have to, like we really had to come here, so we are here because my uncle really needed us to be here, so we're here. But unless until you don't have to travel, then don't really travel. Especially now. Before it was still fine, but now since the cases are rising, I would highly suggest you guys don't travel unless until it's absolutely required. So yeah, with that being said, I shall end this video. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. That's also day 2 and day 3 of Gulbarga, and you will know what I'm doing here and everything about Gulbarga. And my mom's also back. Anyways, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye, stay home, stay safe, and always be positive.
Hey, Macarena, Macarena, Macarena. Hey, put the chopper on the nigga, turn him to a sprinter.